Complete onboarding and start accepting UPI payments by submitting your business verification document on the GPay web console. Thank you for adding all your details so far. After adding all of your details, there are a few more steps before you can start receiving payments. To finish your setup, we recommend using a device with a web browser. Tap Continue on the browser to continue on your current device, or share link to continue on a laptop or computer. Enter the details for your partners and directors. Then tap Continue. You will need to upload the original business proof documents, such as Certificate of Incorporation or Partnership Deeds depending on your business type. Select Upload to add each proof of business document. Then tap Continue. Review the partner details and documents. Then tap Submit. In a few hours, you will get a notification once we verify your details. If you don't get a confirmation after 3 business days, some details may not be verified. In the Google Pay for Business app, check for missing details or invalid documents. Re-upload any missing items for verification. Thank you for using Google Pay for Business.